Good morning, everyone. Right now, my sister and I are heading down to my cousin's room.
Hello there.
Hi.
Look, I'm tucked in like Jesse.
Yeah. You look like
He's
a nerd.
tucked.
Can you even tuck, bro?
I am tucked, bro. Are you tucked, bro? I can't
Tucked,
tuck.
bro.
It's not tucked at all.
Fake tucked.
Very well.
It's fake tucked. It's.
This is a hug.
Okay.
I gotta go.
You be safe.
Mhm.
You make it to your room. You don't talk to strangers. And then, when you get to your room safe, you text me. I need to know you got there.
I'll text you there, Mom.
Okay.
Nice and safe.
Be safe.
There you go, Julia. We just got into the Big Kahuna. We're shopping for a shovel
Yeah, because Jack's gonna dig a big hole.
And a skimboard.
and a skimboard. Jeff, you should get it. Just
Wait,
go
how much
in
is
the
it?
ocean with it. At the top.
Oh, it's 60.
Well, this one's 30.
Yeah, but I don't want a pineapple.
You should ride a motorcycle.
Yeah? Should I?
Yeah. You look cool on a motorcycle. Yeah.
My hair flowing in the wind.
Yep. Jack, I think you're gonna find your shovel here.
I think so.
Yeah, these are perfect. Yeah, it's actually kind of nice with the foam. For $30.
Knitted turtles?
Ninja Turtles.
Knitted.
Ninja? That'd be cool. The GoPro. Oh, is this what you grab them with?
Yeah, I think so. We're back in here to get Jack his shovel, and then we're gonna leave and go to the beach. Are you debating on getting it?
I think he makes a good point.
What?
Plus, if we don't find skimboards over there, that's an extra $10. So that probably won't use a lot.
So we got our first purchase.
Will
Your phone
pay
is so
for
gonna fall out of
that.
my pocket.
Oh! Transition. And we're. Wait, that's wrong.
I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately, I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back. Never look back. Never look back. No. Never look back. Never look back. No.
Made to dinner.
I didn't realize I was in the shop. Like,
It's a shorter walk than I thought. The fast of the
I think I'm gonna get the chicken Alfredo.
That sounds amazing.
We're going back to the room.
How was the food?
Great.
You're not going to bed until 11, right? Even though you're mega tired. Are you mega tired?
Yeah.
Then wake up.
It's not a music video.
We're back at the hotel.
And I put them all on eBay and they sold for nothing.
Okay, so we're gonna go play games at my cousin's house, but in reality, we're celebrating my grandparents' birthdays. So that's what we're playing games for.
Now.
Happy birthday! Oh, thank you guys. Very nice.
it was everybody's own birthday!
Yeah, all the birthdays we've missed for the past year.
Alright, take a button.
Yeah, but these are the big ones.
All of them, get them up!
Watch your camera. Lisa. Yeah, Lisa. Probably.
Hurry!
We're doing a pretty good job.
Mom!
Who's gonna tell if we get them all up?
Yeah, half of them are already on the floor. You just gotta like scoop them. Oh! Okay, we went from like 20 in the air to like 4.
We got tired.
Played infield my birthday, my birthday, I got.
She's so focused.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandpa.
And everybody else.
Happy birthday to you.
Ready?
But I need a bigger something.
And today, I will be telling you how to catch an iguana.
That I can do.
So you grab it and you kill it.
We all look so red. So guys, thank you for watching this video. See you next adventure. Peace.
Peace.
Pass.